Today I appeal to the Pradhan Mantri of India, Shri Manmohan Singh ji, to stand up for Tibet. Tibet has seen 89 self-immolations since 2009, 27 in November alone. That is proof enough that things are absolutely worsening under the Chinese military regime. They don't have any cultural freedom, they don't have any religious freedom, they don't have freedom basically. And the worst part is, no democracy in the world seems to be doing anything about it. We call ourselves developed nations, we call ourselves superpowers. What kind of a developed nation or a superpower are we if we cannot stand up for a nation that needs us? India and Tibet have shared a wonderful history in the past, and it's time that we actually stand by them. We opened our homes to them 60 years back, and they have ever since lived in India and called this country their home. It's time that we prove that we are not into foreign policies and external affairs. We're more into human rights. We stand up for a nation that needs us. So today, Shri Manmohan Singh ji, I ask you to stand up for Tibet. I ask you to speak up. I ask you to prove it to the world. A leader like you can make a difference, can be the voice of change, can actually get a country the freedom it needs.